Stuck with the Netevent Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start our troubleshooting for Netevent Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Netevent Library, the network event message library. It houses the localized string tables used by the Windows Event Viewer to display human-readable network-related error logs and warnings. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Netevent is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Netevent Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Most individual downloads of Netevent Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Netevent Library and maintaining system stability. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Netevent Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.